Hi, I'm Kristen Amdahl and welcome to my studio. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for making one of my patterns. Let's get started. This is the Blake Easy Crochet Motif Sampler Afghan. This is an easy Afghan project that is also portable. Make each square individually and then join them all together at the end. The 6 motif squares work up very quickly. Have fun mixing and matching the colors of your choice. You will need number 5 bulky weight yarn. I used Be So Easy yarn in colors cream, lavender, teal, raisin, goldenrod, cornflower, and putty. And you will also need a size L11 or 8mm crochet hook. This is a 7-part video series. There will be 1 video each for the 6 different motif designs, and then the 7th video will be how we assemble them together. You can find all 7 videos together in a playlist that is linked in the video description, along with links for the pattern and Be So Easy yarn. Okay, we're ready to begin Motif F. We're going to tie our yarn to our crochet hook. You can use a square knot, slip knot, whichever you prefer. And we start with a chain 4. Add slip stitch to the 4th chain from our hook to form a chain 4 ring. Round 1 begins with a chain 1 and single crochet in the ring. Chain 6 and single crochet in the ring. You want to repeat that chain 6 single crochet in the ring 6 more times. Okay, you should have 7 chain 6 spaces, and then for our last one it is going to be chain 3 and double crochet in the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join. That chain 3 double crochet gives us our chain 6 equivalent, and it leaves us positioned to be in the top center of that chain 6 space. So at the end of round 1 you should have 8 chain 6 spaces. Round 2 begins with a chain 1 and single crochet in the same space, chain 5 and single crochet in the same space. So in that first chain 6 space we work single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3. In the next chain 6 space we'll work double crochet, chain 5, double crochet. Double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook in the space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 5, and double crochet in the same space, chain 3. In the next chain 6 space work single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, chain 3, and in the next chain 6 space work double crochet, chain 5, and double crochet. You want to repeat this all the way around. At the end of the last repeat, you want to replace the last chain 3 with double crochet to the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join. And that double crochet worked into the first stitch closes our round and positions us on the right hand side of the chain 3 space, whereas we'd be on the left side if we were slip stitching to the first stitch. So that counts as our last chain 3 space. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 2. You should have 8 chain 5 spaces. We're ready to begin round 3 now. It starts with a chain 4. And then in the next chain 5 space, we're going to work double crochet, chain 5, double crochet, chain 4, and then skip across to the next chain 5 space. We're going to work single crochet, chain 3. This is all in the same chain 5 space, 3 double crochets, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3, and single crochet. I'm going to set my work down so I can show you everything that we did in that same chain 5 space. We did single, chain 3, 3 doubles, chain 3, single, chain 3, 3 doubles, chain 3, and single, all in that same chain 5 space. Then chain 4, and in the next chain 5 space work double crochet, chain 5, double crochet. And you want to repeat this all the way around. At the end of the last repeat, we're going to replace the last chain 4 with a treble crochet in that same last chain 5 space. And a treble crochet is yarn over twice, insert your hook in that space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 3. Round 4 begins with a chain 1 and single crochet in the top of that first treble crochet, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 7, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. And you want to repeat this all the way around. At the end of the round, you want to slip stitch to the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 4. You should have 4 chain 7 spaces, 8 chain 5 spaces, and 8 chain 3 spaces. Round 5 begins with a chain 4, which counts as a treble crochet, then 5 treble crochets in the next chain 5 space, treble crochet in the next single crochet, 5 treble crochets in the next chain 5 space, treble crochet in the next single crochet, 3 trebles in the next chain 3 space, treble in the next single crochet, and in the next chain 7 space work 3 trebles, chain 3, 3 trebles. All right, so for the remainder of this round, we're going to work 1 treble crochet into each single crochet, 5 treble crochets into each chain 5 space, 3 treble crochets in each chain 3 space, and in each chain 7 space corner, we're going to work 3 treble crochet, chain 3, 3 treble crochet. You want to repeat that all the way around. At the end of round 5, you want to slip stitch to the top of the chain 4 at the beginning of the round to join. And that completes motif F. So you want to cut your yarn and fasten off. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we assemble all of the motifs together. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Everything we talked about in this video is also linked in the video description. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.